Hey guys, today is my first vlog. I just got it, and today I just made some slime. So, you know, this is what I'm doing my vlog about slime, and it's so fun to play with. Oh, it popped. And you know, I was gonna do a video about how to make slime, but I couldn't get my YouTube to work, which that was yesterday when I made my other slimes. I have like 5,000 slime now because I just got 2 or 1, I think, gallons of glow. Hold on, I'll be right back. Gotta go check. So I got, yeah, 1. And this is my slime. If you like it, put it in the comments below. And to all the people out there who love slime, just write it in the comments. And I'll be like making YouTube videos like every single day now. So it's practically vlogging about my life. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so yeah. And I might even do another one because, you know, who loves vlogs? Like, hold on, let me put my slime on. And you might want to use a container that contains a lid. I don't know what this is. I just found it. And I use this container. Okay. So, I don't know. I might make dough. I might not. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So, I don't know if I should make dough or not. On my next vlog, tell me if I should make dough. Because I need to get comments. And please turn your notification bell on, which will be down there. And, if these are the people you like, Smelly Belly TV, Jake Paul, Greg Paul, Martinez twins, they're hard to name, Anthony, and these are all the people in Jake Paul, so just go like them, go watch their videos, subscribe to them, and subscribe to mine, of course, and see you in a few minutes, because I might be doing another vlog. Bye! And I'll think what I'm going to call you in the next vlog right now. Bye.